Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 3 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat, and we're on prompts 41 and 42. And 41 is our favorite holiday character, and I'm choosing Santa. And 42 is children, and so I've got these images. I think these came from the Joey Card Maker kit I've been using, and this came from the Digital Collage Club, and it's under a new name now. I can't remember the name, but I'm going to keep it simple. It's Wednesday, right day before Thanksgiving, and I've got a lot to do. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just going to do some simple journaling cards. I've already inked everything, so we're just going to go from there. Now I think I'm going to put that down first. I'm kind of thinking along the lines of something like that and that. So I thought that looked cute. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Get my art glitter glue. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. It's been a busy week. This is Kit. Say hello, Kit. His mama's usually the one that comes and joins me up here. You see? Show everybody a handsome face he is. Oh, come on, sweet boy. He's my baby. They all are. When we hadn't been living here too terribly long, and she showed up with my husband. We had another cat that showed up, and he kind of hung around outside. And she showed up when my husband got off from work one day, and the boys and I were at church. And he told me about her. Well, the next day, she showed up, and we got to meet her, and she's so sweet. She's my baby girl. She is my baby girl. And she showed up, and we all got to meet her. And the next day she showed up, and she had two young'uns, two little boys with her, and they couldn't have been more than 6 weeks old. And of course now we have all three of them, and they are a part of the family. They are our babies. Alrighty, that's cute. I've got this Rit Rack. I didn't know whether I might want to go across the bottom with it. I really don't think it needs it though. I think it's good without. So that one, now I may sew around it. And this one, I'm going to pretty much, I don't know if I'm going to have enough room. I'm going to put this down. And then my candy canes. But I always said that she had come and checked us out. And she is a mama to them babies, and we've had them for, oh gosh, quite a few years. We've had other cats, but none like these. And they are special. I mean, they're all special. Okay, have that. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. Maybe that looks pretty good. I didn't ink yet. these down. I've really enjoyed this challenge. I encourage you to go check out Amy's channel and check out her Etsy store. She's got some beautiful digitals. I've gotten a few kits of hers and I really love them. Okay, I think I'm going to put these pop dots on him. Give it a little dimension. And I have a little bit of this, I don't know, it's not as thick as I thought it was. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to cut a very thin piece to kind of go under there to hold that chair. Just use every bit of this stuff that we can. Another just use it up. Take off all the papers. There we go. How cute is that? You know, I was going to sew around it, but I really don't think I'm going to now. I don't know. It would finish it off, wouldn't it? Maybe. Let's see. We'll do this one. So I'll be right back. All right, here we are. I sewed around both of them. I did a little wonky stitches around this one, and this one I tried to keep it straight. Corners not so great, but I still like it. This will camouflage it anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. So we've got our favorite holiday character, and we've got our children. So until next time, y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye, y'all.